Hello everyone, welcome to the AI practical series. Today we'll be doing the DFS search, that is DFS algorithm. So this is one of the search algorithms which comes under the category of uninformed search. So in this case the nodes are expanded using a LIFO, that is last in first out queue, and goal test is applied at the time of expanding the node. Okay, so let us see how we'll see this first of all this working of this DFS with an animation, and then we'll see the Python program of the same. So this is the required animation, and we have this starting from the root node. It's A is our root node. If we expand A, we get B, C, and so on, and we use some color notations here. So this dark particular blue, it is like applying goal test and expanding, and this light green, it is expanded nodes, and the yellow one is the goal node. So let us see how this particular algorithm goes around. Okay, so first start with the root node A. It expands the root node, it gets two nodes B and C. Okay, now let us see after this what happens. The goal test is applied at B. Okay, and checked whether it is a goal that is, are we getting the goal or not. Okay, so if we are not getting the goal, then B is expanded. Okay, now C is we are not applying any goal test on C, which is here, so it is going further, okay, along that particular branch B. Okay, then the goal test is applied at D. Okay, and check whether it is a goal or not. If it is not goal, then we expand, go further H, and we get I. Now in this case we have unexpanded nodes, that's E and C. Okay, now it will check whether H is goal or not. If it is not, it will check I. If it is not, then it comes back to the E. Okay, it checks whether it's a goal or not. Okay, so and then checks J and K. Okay, it goes on checking. Then this entire depth is searched. It is called as depth first search because it is going through the depth. Okay, then it comes to C. Okay, and then goes on further. Okay, and checks on this side. Okay, now F is the goal, so when it gets F is the goal, it returns the path as from F to C and C to A. So this is how this particular DFS works. Now let us see the Python program, how we can implement this particular algorithm using Python code, which is done by Professor Yasira.
Hi everyone, today we are going to see a very interesting algorithm, that is depth first search, DFS. Depth first search algorithm, students, is a recursive algorithm for searching all the vertices of a graph or tree data structure. Traversal means, we all know, visiting all the nodes of a graph. Now in this particular implementation we are going to use Python programming. Now students, first we have to understand a DFS implementation will put each vertex of the graph into two categories. Either it will be visited or it will not be visited. Now the purpose of this algorithm is to mark each vertex as visited while avoiding cycles. So basically, we start by putting any one of the graph vertices on the top of a stack. We take the top item of the stack and we add it to the visited list. Can you see over here? We add it to the visited list. We create a list of that vertex adjacent node. We add the ones which are not in the visited list to the top of the stack, and we keep repeating this stack until the stack is empty. Now we will see that implementation in Python. Now see students, we are going to make use of a code. This is a recursive implementation. We have used a function by the name DFS. In this we are going to run the DFS function on every node. This is because the graph might have two different disconnected parts, so we have to make sure that we cover every vertex. We can also run the DFS algorithm on every node. Now the code is a very simplified version so that we focus on the algorithm. So basically, as you can see over here, if the visited is none, we will start this particular algorithm by adding the nodes. So this is something which we have to keep in mind. This recursive implementation is very important, and the implementation in Python makes it very easy. Now see students, as we have discussed That traversal is what we visit all the nodes of the graph, and we are doing this through depth first search. Also, as you can see over here, we are starting by putting any one of the graph vertex on the top of the stack. Okay, then after that we take the top item of the stack and we add it to the visited list of the vertex. So the code which you see over here, this visited is visited one, is equal to set is very important. It is basically to keep track of the visited node of the graph. Then we are going to first, after we create the graph for which we will use the depth first search, after creation we will create a set, as you can see over here, for storing the value of the visited node. As I said, basically to keep track of the visited node of the graph. Once after that, we will just print the values. After that, inside this function you can see we can check whether any node of the graph is visited or not. So we have used this if condition. If not, we will print the node and we will add it to the visited set of the node. Then students, over here we are going to the neighboring node of the graph. We have called the DFS function over here to use the neighbor parameter. And then over here you can see this is something which is very important. We have created the graph for which we are going to use the depth first. And at the end, once we've done that, we are ending it. So basically we will see the implementation. We will run this module. Can you see this is the example, this is the code, the output of the code which I have explained. So I hope you understood. So students, depth first search is used to traverse any graph or tree, and with Python for traversing connected components we have seen the code. Thank you everyone.